Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to another YouTube video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my quarantine self-care routine. So right now what I am doing is I am waxing my leg, and I'm using the Veet Silky Fresh waxing cream. So when I applied it for my leg for about 10 to 15 minutes because I have very hard hair. So after that, I went into the shower and I washed it all off. And now I am going to be using this no hair cream. It's supposed to slow hair growth. So whenever I wax whatever part of my body, I applied this for at least 1 week, and it helps to slow down the growth of hair. So that's what I'm doing now. So after that, I go in with Aquaphor just to give my leg that shine, you know. A girl gotta look sexy, you know what I mean? So you guys remember this gift that my neighbor gifted me? So that's what I'm going to be using. It's the UV thing that dries up the gel polish. So that's what I'm going to be using. And today I'm trying to paint this gray. And if you don't know, gray is my best color, so let's do it. So guys, this is what my natural nails looks like. So the first thing I like to do is to file my nails into like the shapes that I'd like them to be. And then the second thing I do is to buff them, you know, just to smoothen the surface. So after that, I use the gel primer to like prime my nails first, and then I go in with the clear gel. So I go in with the clear gel and then I dry it up, and then I go in with the main color that I want to do. So in today's video, I'm just going to show you guys doing only my left hand because there's no point showing you guys my left and my right. You guys know my neighbor gifted me all this stuff, so I'm just having fun with them. So she gave me this glitter and I put it on like my ring finger, you know, just to give it a nice, you know, different look. And then I went in with the clear gel again before drying it up completely. So guys, this is the final result of the nails. I don't know what you guys think about dark colors, but I really like dark colors. Gray is one of my best colors. So let me know in the comment section what you think. So guys, the next one is my bath routine. I like my bath routine to be very relaxing, so of course I turn on some nice candle. And in today's bath routine, I am using this Dr. Teal's ultra moisturizing bath bombs. It is lavender. It smells really good. Honestly, my bath routine, I mostly just sit there and sip wine while thinking about my life. Because like that's like my relaxing time, so I usually use it to think a lot and play in the water and just, all that good stuff. So guys, after my bath, that's when I do my face, because as you guys can see, I struggle from acne, so I dedicate very special time to my face. So since I already just took a bath, I washed my face with this. This is directly from a clinic. It was recommended by a dermatologist, so that's what I use. So I have washed my face with this guy. On a normal day, I will just go in with my serum and then my moisturizer. But because today is self-care day, self-pamper day, I'm going to go in with my gold moisturizing pill. This helps my face, like it really makes my face, it helps moisturizes my face. I don't know, every time I take it off, my face feels really refreshed and moisturized. So that's what I'm going to be using. So guys, I'm done applying it now. I'm going to wait for it to completely dry, then I'm going to peel it off and go in with the rest of the product. I'll see you guys when it has dried up. So guys, it's all dried up now. So I'm just gonna peel it off. Ooh. That's so satisfying. So now I'm going to go in with my witch hazel toner, and I'm going to be using some cotton pads, which I'm almost out of. Just gonna put it on the cotton pad and just clean my face with it. This is the reason why I enjoy toning my face. You see that? You see the dirt there? So now that it is all dry, I'm going to be using the Ordinary's Alpha Albutine. So this targets my dark spots. So I just get some and I apply it to my skin. I don't let this applicator touch my skin so I don't transfer bacteria into the bottle. So now that I am done, I'm going to use my moisturizer. It's from Neutrogena. It's oil free and this is for acne prone skin like mine. I feel so fresh. So guys, if I was going outside, like this was a typical day where I had to go outside for something, I would apply my SPF. I am way too cautious about my skin to use any SPF that is less than 50. So I have this one. This one is 60 plus, meaning that it is, but right now I'm not going anywhere. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my quarantine self-care. Let me know in the comment section which part of this video was your favorite. If it was my nails, my facial routine, my bath routine, or my wax routine, anyone at all, let me know in the comment section. And also let me in on any tips that you have on like self-care days, like what special thing you use that you really enjoy using or anything like that. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and smash the subscribe button. If you're new, break it, destroy it, and do whatever you like with it. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Ciao.